Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber here, thank you for subscribing, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe and share my video to your family and friends. And before further ado, let's get into the video.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even
This is soursop. I'm trying to make fruit juice with this soursop. I'm trying to remove the whole seed. As you can see, this is the seed. I will remove it, then I will blend it. I'll blend it with other fruits. I'm trying to separate the seed from the fruit, so to enable me to blend it in my blender. As you can see, when you press it hard, the seed will come out. This is the seed. This is the seed. So I'm trying to separate it from the soursop to enable me blend it in the blender. So watch till the end. Remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share and like.
is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you,
You add your
I would
inside the blender.
When I
Then you blend. You cover your blender. Make sure you cover it very well to avoid splash. Blend. I'm done blending.
down beside you, I would.
We have come to the end of the video. Remember to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.